And George, why are you maintaining a buy and a $275 price target on this stock as it craters?
Hey, Sarah, happy holidays. Thank you so much for having me. Yeah, I understand, and most participants understand what's happening with Tesla stock. The data points have been exceedingly negative for several weeks now, maybe even several months. And the latest, as you pointed out today, is that one of their competitors in China, NIO, pre-announced negative. They're not going to hit their numbers for Q4 after giving that guidance not so long ago. But our hope over the medium to long term is that what's happening in China, which appears to be cyclical and not secular, will rebound. Particularly, as you mentioned earlier, we have a reopening. So as we work through this stuff in China, we think that EV sales can rebound probably in the second half of 2023.
What has happened to estimates for next year for revenues and profits? How significantly have they come down for Tesla, if at all?
They've come down a bit. Look, we just reduced our numbers from a little over 2 million vehicle sales in 2023 to about 1.9 million vehicle sales. And they may have to go lower. We listened to Elon Musk on Twitter Spaces at the end of last week, and he sounded decidedly negative. And we think that maybe our ASP and margin assumptions might be a little too high for next week. So we're all waiting with bated breath for the delivery numbers to come out after the turn of the year and for the earnings call in January, February. And we'll see how far the numbers have to go. But our view is that what's happening now to Tesla and to auto sales in general is cyclical. It's not secular. And after we get past whatever it is that we're going through now from an economic perspective, EV sales will rebound, and this secular trend that we're seeing towards EVs will continue. And we think, through this economic downturn, Tesla will come out stronger competitively than they came into it.
But even if it's cyclical, George, are you not concerned that with Tesla facing some real demand questions for the first time in years and the supply issues as well in China, the CEO is preoccupied running Twitter?
I mean, look, you have a really good point. Elon Musk is on Twitter a lot, but as far as I can recall, he was on Twitter a lot before this all happened. And yes, he has more duties now being the CEO. He's pledged to investors that he'll relinquish those duties and focus more on software. Look, he's a busy guy. Clearly, he's had a lot of balls to juggle for many years now. He's thrown more into the mix with Twitter. But, we've always been impressed with the way he's come through these things, whether it's, with Tesla worries and early in the 2000s and then in 2018 when people thought the company was go bankrupt. So we're making the bet that he'll come through this, that he has good people in place, both at Tesla and eventually at Twitter, to manage both and come through the downturn successfully.
I mean, the other knock against this one, and it has to do with a lot of what we're seeing in the NASDAQ this year, is that there's a massive valuation correction happening with higher interest rates. And if we are facing even higher interest rates next year and higher interest rates for longer, a lot of the stocks that were highly inflated over the last few years amid all the stimulus, and Tesla's very much a poster child of that, isn't it, George? Have to come down to earth.
It's a really good point. And so the way we comp Tesla is relative to other tech companies. We think Tesla is a tech company that makes electric vehicles. And so when we look in the out years, again, next year, maybe even a little into 2024, we have a cyclical downturn and some estimates have to come down. But after we look into 2024, 2025, we're pretty confident in our numbers, and in 2025, we have close to $11 in non-GAAP earnings. And when you look at the stock today and you look at it relative to other large cap tech stocks, whether it's Google or Alphabet, and Apple, we think it's incredibly attractively valued, particularly for the growth. We think over a 5-year period, this is a 30 to 40 to 50% growth company. And that's a lot higher than those comps.